Hiya guys, Beth here with Create with, do I have it as Create as B9 or Create as Beth? I don't even know because I haven't done any videos in a minute. I don't know why. I got stuck. Everybody gets stuck every once in a while. So today I'm going to teach you how to make a mandala of some sort, okay? So there's one that I've been working on. I think I started that when I was on the plane. Yeah, I did. Ah. Let's see what I create today. We're gonna start a new canvas. I'm just gonna hit this one. You can do whatever canvas you wanna do. And I have something on my, you probably see that. Oh, Lordy. I need to clean my screen, so sorry about that. I have not done so. You might see dog hair on it or something, or a feather, or a little line from God knows what. I don't know. All right. Anyways, there's your ding dong. You're gonna go to your wrench thingy. You're gonna go to your drawing guide, click it, edit your drawing guide. We're gonna go to symmetry, options. You can do different things here. You can go vertical, horizontal, quadrant, radical. I mean, vertical is awesome if you're like making a vase or something like that, or you just want to be symmetrical on two sides. You want to do some type of mirror image, something like that. Horizontal, same, I mean, you can do it with a lot of things, the same thing, but you're using the lower quadrant, lower half or upper half to create it, just whatever. Quadrant is where you're doing, it's gonna be image, it's gonna separate it into four. I go with a radical, I guess that's how you would say it, radile? Is that how you say it? Okay, there's a long story with my peach. Okay, you're going to hit that last one. Radile, I don't know. I don't know how you pronounce things, okay? Like, I have speech issues. You never know it, but I was actually born tongue-tied, so, and then I had to go get it clipped when I was like 16. But I already went through speech lessons, so I had to learn how to speak again. And I still have issues till this day, and I'm like, well, I'm not gonna tell you my age, but I'm older now. So anyways, you're gonna go to that very bottom one. And I don't know how to pronounce it. I probably should have asked somebody before I did this video, but I did not. Okay, and that's it. And you go done, done. Okay, so there's a lot of things you can do here. I always start with my background first and how I want it to look. I really like a dark feel to that background. And I like it dark. I like a navy. I just love navy. I don't know why, but especially for mandalas, just really love them. I'm gonna change it to an airbrush type thing, which it's been a while since I don't even know where anything is because I'm that awesome. Let's see, maybe some artistic stuff. Nope. Airbrushing? That's what I thought. Oh, well, yeah, just, didn't I say I was looking for airbrushing? And I'm, okay. Anyways, don't mind me. It's been a week. Let me tell you, it's been a week. All right, so let's go with a soft blend. Yeah. All right. So I'm just going to kind of paint this on. I'm going to turn the opacity up. And you're probably thinking, well, why did I paint it on instead of filling it? I don't know, because the satisfaction of it. Duh. I'm gonna go in with a darker color around the edges, kind of like make a vignette, maybe. You could just like randomly put it there. go in with a lighter color. Sometimes I like just doing little dots, you know, make it look kind of twinkly. I don't know, it's just nice like that. I'm sorry if you're getting glare. I have a window next to me. I did not think to do anything with it, I guess you could say. Oh, that's too bright. I don't like that. Okay, that's good. I just put like random dots here and there. Okay, just kind of give me a little base to go on. All right, so I'm gonna go into my brushes and go to calligraphy. I go with a monoline. I'm not sure if that's a standard brush or if I got it somewhere else. Not really sure. It's been a minute. So I'm gonna go in there, grab that. I think I pressed, yeah, okay. And I'm gonna go zoom in to where I'm working because I kind of like to work small at first. It's a thing. And just start drawing. And you don't have to like have anything in mind. I personally never think of anything before I do it or what patterns I want to do. I just kind of roll with it. Gotta flow with life, you know? You just make shapes. You could, oh, that kind of looks like a mushroom, doesn't it? Of course it does, Beth, of course. Oh yeah, so anyhow, we just kind of flow with it. I feel mandalas are kind of soothing to work with. They're just nice in general to do. They're kind of meditative. You can put on your chill music like I do. I have a really great Spotify playlist. I had to make it look more like a mushroom, guys. I don't know if you know my other passions or not, but I do mycology for fun. I am currently trying to grow cordyceps, and I have successfully grown reishi, and I'm making tinctures out of it because I like doing it. I don't know. It's a thing. Everybody has a thing. Plus, mushrooms save the world. So yeah, of course I'm gonna put a mushroom in it. Actually, if you've seen any of my work, I guess I put some of my stuff here on YouTube of like speed paintings of mushrooms. Yeah, you could tell I'm just a teeny bit obsessed. Yeah, it's really funny. I'm here in Texas and it's hot as all get out outside, but my AC is on like, I don't know, 68. So I'm wearing a sweater. Yeah, so that's, I think everybody does that, don't they? That's kind of silly. Like, why am I putting a sweater on in the middle of summer? Or whatever. This is starting to get an interesting tribal feel. I like to switch my colors here and there and just kind of start popping them in different areas. Just little teeny lines here, there, everywhere. Outline that, outline this, and yeah. So anyways, that is how you, mandalas, I don't know. I don't know if there's a lot of tutorials on YouTube on mandalas or not, but I do them a lot. I do them when I'm on the plane a lot. I just think they're good. You guys know the tricks for making shapes. I'm not sure, some people do, some people don't. So if you're trying to make a circle, you make a circle and then you just hold it. And see, you can shrink it, you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. I don't know, whatever you want to do. If you want to make a curve, same thing. You just hold it. Now it looks kind of like an olive. I don't know. It looks interesting, right? Any lines you want to make, like this is going to be messy, but same thing. You hold it and it adjusts. That's one thing about I love about Procreate is it just adjusts to make them straight. Because I'm not one of those people that can do a straight line for the life of me, and that one looks wonky, but whatever. You ever make a mistake, boom, there's your back button, or whatever. You know, one thing I forgot to do, because it's been a minute, is normally when I'm like at a point, like I do a little bit of my mandala, and I'm like, if I'm feeling it, cool. If I'm not, I just erase it and do it again, because I got all the time in the world. It's not, I'm in no rush to get this done. That's kind of the point of doing it. It's not a thing. This is for me. This is just for fun. But if I like it, I'll duplicate that. I'll duplicate that layer like that. And then I'll work on that layer. And then if I mess up, I can just delete it or delete that area and just continue going. You know what I mean? So you can always either redo it or add to it, or, you know, they're happy mistakes, right? Yeah, that's not, I wanted a color. We just don't know what color I wanted. So anyhow, I hope everybody is doing well out there. We are just going into July today. So I don't know. It's interesting. I think the energy is interesting right now, but that's just me. Maybe it's just my weird empathic self. I don't know. Maybe I read into too much. Who knows? It is what it is. Boop. Come on, curve. Oh, I like that. It's kind of interesting. Put your own flair to this, guys. Like, I don't know. This one looks tribal. I've done ones where they look really flowery. And I've like made like a tulip or something. I don't, let's see. Or, hold up. I don't like that. I'm gonna do it here so I can see what the heck I'm doing. I've made like a lotus or something where, ooh, make a little lotus, a fill it in. It's cute. Get your green out. I kind of like a sagey green. Just kind of fly. I don't know, it kind of looks like a lotus. Oh yeah, it does. Yeah, it does. Yeah, I need some green somewhere else, because otherwise it's gonna look interestingly weird. Okay, this mushroom's gonna have some green in it apparently. Anyways, guys, I hope this video inspires you to get into your iPad and create some things in Procreate and just do some me time. You know, I think everybody needs some me time to create and just like explore and just flow with things. And this is kind of what mandala stuff is. You know, you just get in there and just play. So I hope that you're inspired to do so, and that you liked my video and you subscribe and follow and like and do all those things. Yeah, it would be greatly appreciated. Yeah. So I have no idea what that is, but I'm feeling it. I'm gonna make it like a, I don't know. I'm gonna make it into something. But anyways, have a great day. Have a great week. Have a great month. Have a great everything. And I can't wait to see what you guys do. Bye.